Do you want to improve English speaking? How do you speak when you are in the coffee shop? Here is the simple conversation that you can learn. Talking in a coffee shop is a very common situation in daily life. Practicing conversations like this helps beginners improve English for ordering, greeting, and showing feelings. The sentences are short, simple, and natural. Let's get started.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi, Tom.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm tired.
Oh no, coffee time?
Yes, please, I need it.
Me too. I love coffee.
What do you want?
A latte. You?
Just black coffee.
Strong choice.
Yes.
Do you want cake?
No thanks, I'm full.
Okay, let's order.
Good idea. I'm excited.
Me too. Coffee makes me happy.
Same here. Let's go.